Yeah, I'm flying high. And what about you?
I'm also fantastic and doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm super energetic.
Okay, so tell me how this morning treating you so far?
Yeah, my morning was very productive. And what
Okay.
about you? How was your morning?
Yeah, same like it was productive every morning like I'm trying to be make that productive.
Okay.
Sometimes happen, sometimes it not.
Yeah, that's good. So we finally met. Okay. So first of all, please introduce yourself.
Okay, sure. So, for your audience, like who's watching us, my name is Rahul Doon, and I'm living in Jaipur. And from the last, I think, 7 8 months, I have been making content and uploading on YouTube regarding spoken English or self improvement. And if I tell you about my hobbies, so my I love reading books, talking to people, and making content. Yeah, and last year I graduated, and now I started doing a job. I think 3 days before I started, so now I'm
Okay.
doing. Yeah,
What job you are doing right nowadays?
it's a kind of like hiring. Like I have to hire candidates for the company which is located in US based company. So yeah, my work is all in English, so I'm grateful about that. So.
Congratulations.
Thanks, Lavanya.
Yeah. So I introduce myself also.
Yes. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Lavanya Dansena and I'm from Chhattisgarh. And currently, I'm pursuing my master degree. It's my final year, like a special educator. And now I have no, actually, I have my own business related to ladies salon, and I have also 4 5 staff in my under. And let's talk about my hobby. So I love cooking, dancing, reading, writing, and car driving. I have my own car. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
And yes, I run YouTube channel. I make sometimes solo video like motivational video, and sometimes I put conversation video, and another lane like sometimes I put solo English video. All about me.
Okay, so are you also uploading videos in Hindi?
Yes, I upload in the video.
Good,
It's
good.
motivational video. Yeah.
Good. It's super. Okay, so okay, as our audience are mostly who's learning English, so it would be better if we talk more about how we can improve our English or our journeys. So you tell
Yes.
me. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, I prepared a few questions for you. So, if you allow me, so may I ask?
Yes. You can ask me.
Okay. So, first of all, question goes to you, Mr. Rahul.
Yeah.
Actually, I watched your many more video. So I really, I love to watch your video and I like your content also. And
Thank
because you are doing very great. And yeah. So my first question, like how can a beginner learn all the tenses easily?
Easy way like when if I can tell you what I did, I don't know what other things like people are doing, but I what I did like I got a a table of the tenses where the all the rules were put it there, put in that table. So I download that picture and I was learning them and I was making sentences like for past simple tense what is the rules there. And so I was making sentences about that, and after that past continuous, past perfect, and then present simple. In this way I started. But whenever like I was not fully focusing on only on tenses, how I can learn tenses, but by making sentences I started as I said like I started uploading vlogs. So whatever I was speaking at that time, I was trying to focus like where I'm making mistakes or where I can improve my tenses and all things. So yeah, in this way I learned it, and I think tenses is most important thing,
Yes,
basic.
why I'm asking this question, every person while we speak, so that times, like making too much like mistake related to tensions. I'm also, so that's fine. Okay,
Hmm.
so if you have any questions, so please you ask.
Yeah. No, I just wanted to ask you about your journey, like how did you start and what kind of practices are you doing in these days? Because you
Okay.
are also handling your business, so how do you manage, both things? Because a lot of our viewers are also doing jobs, so they, always having a question like how can I manage all the things? So.
Okay, so if you talk about my journey, so to be honest, I'm very consistency girl, and I maintain like when I follow every kind of like reading practice, it's most important. And another then like I'm watching. Sometimes I follow native speakers also, whatever I want to, and like motivational also. I watch motivational video also because I am motivational speaker, so that's why. And another then also like writing. I every day write, 2-3 pages, and I have yeah. So actually, I'm good at in writing also, and why I'm writing because that times I memorize my all the words. So that's why, because while you are writing practice every day, so when you will go like conversation video, and then sometimes you make solo video, so at that times you gain lot of vocabulary also. So that's why, it's part of our learning in this like language, like English language. When you will start your English language, so first of all, keep consistency, only writing. Yeah, and reading also, and read out loud. But in my sometimes I'm in like my duty time in salon 10:30 to till 8, sometimes 11, depend on my busy schedule. So sometimes I don't have time, so that times I put in my earbuds, and then I, you know like listening more and more English related content. So these kind of things I follow. So yeah, that's it.
Mm, very good, very good. Yeah, super. Yeah, you are doing and writing. Yeah, you said writing is really important. Like when we write, we are, clarifying our thoughts, like what's going on in our mind. So this
Yeah.
is also a thing. So I think everything is important, but main thing is speaking. Because when as much as we will speak, we will
Yeah,
be more,
speak so
comfortable.
yeah,
So.
and more you speak, so your muscles also like
Mm,
comfortable. Yeah, so
comfortable.
yeah,
Yeah.
like sometimes I talk 1 hour, and sometimes depend on my leisure time. To be honest, I didn't have that much leisure time, but when I have free time, so that times I utilize my 1 minute only in this
Mhm.
time. Yeah.
Superb.
Even yesterday, I went like I went restaurant. So that times I driving a car. So that times I'm memorize my all stories.
So tell me about your like you said, how did you learn your vocabularies, or how are you learning vocabularies? Because vocabularies is really important, you
Yes,
know.
yes. So yeah, you can say like vocabulary. So I already mentioned, you read everyday book, like any kind of book. Sometimes I read a story, and sometimes like moral story and non-fiction book, and sometimes I watch news. So that times I also gain lot of vocabulary. But in while I'm speaking, so that times I'm forget. I don't know why.
So yeah, it happens. It happens sometimes. Yeah, yeah, and
So if in my question, like how to memorize our vocabulary, this.
Yeah, it's a simple thing. Like if you are just pick a simple word, one word, and try to make more sentence as much as you can, and at least 5 or 10 sentences when you will make, and when you will write those sentences, you can easily, yeah, memorize that thing. Because it happens like everybody knows, and I think, yeah, we know that if we are continuously practicing on same word again and again, we are going to keep that word in our mind every time whenever we speak. But the thing is, we are not able to practice
Yeah.
regularly or consistently. So that's also a thing that a lot of people are facing.
Okay, so now you are wearing jacket. So in your side, cold weather,
So yeah, like in the morning or in the evening.
but in my side, too hot.
Not too hot, actually. Outside, like it's sunny, weather is sunny, but I'm inside, so in my house, like it's a kind of
So
temperature.
you are a Gujarati.
Rajasthani. I'm from Jaipur.
Oh, sorry, Rajasthani. So yesterday I watched one story. You are famous dish. What? Dal bati churma.
Dal bati churma, yeah, it's a
I never
famous.
eat. I never tasted in dal bati churma. So how is it? How is it taste? Dal bati churma.
Like dal, obviously it's spicy, and churma is a quite sweet, and same, like it's the same taste, but whenever you will taste it, you'll find it better, like in taste. So super.
Okay, so you are staying in Jaipur, Pink City.
Yeah, I'm staying in
So you
Jaipur.
are
Yes.
visited all your place. You covered.
Not, no, 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 not everything.
Okay.
Something.
You are
Some
a
way.
traveling person and stay home. This kind of thing in
Yeah,
your mind.
I'm going outside, but it depends on, like, nowadays after my schooling or college, I'm not having friends that I can go outside usually. So I'm not going outside. Sometimes when work is there, that time I go, and as I said, like I started working, so nowadays like I'm doing work from home. So
Okay.
because of my work, sometimes I go outside, otherwise like I stay at home. But I love
But
to